Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-techie Entrepreneur, and this is the first video in the Mastering Shopify series. In this video tutorial, I am going to cover what Shopify is. If you found this video, then you may have an idea of what Shopify is, or you may have heard about it and you wanted to learn a little bit more about it. Overall, Shopify is an e-commerce solution that allows you to sell products online. It's quickly becoming an all-in-one platform, allowing you to sell your products on multiple platforms, manage marketing campaigns, and manage everything for your store in one spot. No matter the type of e-commerce store you have, Shopify has provided a great platform that can be customized to your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all platform. No matter what you sell, whether it be your own products, you drop ship from suppliers, or you sell with the print-on-demand provider, you are able to do it still from one dashboard, but made for you. Shopify gives you multiple ways for you to be able to sell your products online. You are able to have an online store, a point of sale if you plan on selling through retail, or you have pop-ups or events that you are selling your products at, buy buttons which can be added across websites, email marketing, blog posts, and on different sales channels such as eBay, Amazon, Facebook, and Instagram. You're able to choose and set up the type of store that you want. You can set up your custom domain so that your store can be found with no issues. If you use a retail option right now, you can use Shopify as a POS system and an online store. So you get both of the things that you need in one place, so you don't have to worry about finding something else to use in your retail store and then something to use for online. They work seamlessly. You are also able to have multiple locations, so if that POS system needs to be in 3 or 4 stores, you can do that. And it still funnels into one dashboard. You have your inventory there. You have everything you need to make sure that your store is running how it needs to run. There are so many ways that Shopify has allowed their users to sell, whether it be on eBay, it could be on Amazon, it can be on Etsy, it can be Facebook Marketplace. You can sell your products anywhere. The next part of Shopify that is really making it a all-in-one platform is the fact that you can market your business from your Shopify dashboard. You can set up automations, you can send out email campaigns, you can build your audiences, you can check your analytics to see what they're looking for and how they're finding you. You can manage all of this from the Shopify dashboard. You are able to blog with Shopify. You're able to connect your Google Shopping to your store. You're able to run Facebook ads, all from your marketing section in Shopify. Then it all comes together when you can have your orders in one place, you're accepting payments, you're getting deposits in one place, you have your analytics in one place, and you have your dashboard that you can see an overview of your entire shop health. That is one great thing about moving your store or starting your store with Shopify. There's no logging in and out of multiple places. You can go to one place to see everything. You can see how your orders are being fulfilled. You can see what abandoned carts you have. You can see the status of your emails. You can see the payment options that are available. You can have Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, PayPal, all of that included in your store. And it's still only one place. So hopefully that helped for learning what Shopify is. And if you would like to learn more about Shopify, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the little bell, and you will get the notifications for new videos on my channel. And also check out the Shopify tutorial playlist that this video will be added to, and it will have all of the tutorial videos for Shopify.